The Tesvor M1 Pro is a powerful and intelligent robot vacuum designed to make daily floor care effortless. With its 4,000 pascal suction power and innovative cleaning system, it doesn't just vacuum. It scrubs, maps, and adapts to your home environment with precision. One of its standout features is smart navigation. The M1 Pro automatically detects where it has cleaned and where obstacles are located, ensuring it doesn't waste time on duplicate passes or bump unnecessarily into furniture. Its zigzag cleaning pattern covers more area in less time, making every run highly efficient. Beyond vacuuming, the M1 Pro also offers a mopping function. Equipped with a 350 milliliters electronically controlled water tank, it scrubs floors while carefully regulating water flow to avoid leaving stains or damaging sensitive surfaces. The removable mop pad makes switching between modes simple, and the special filter system ensures your floors are left spotless. For convenience, this robot integrates seamlessly with technology. Using the free Tesvor app, you can monitor cleaning in real time, schedule routines, and adjust settings. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home, letting you control it effortlessly with just your voice. The M1 Pro is built for long sessions. Its 5,200 mAh battery powers up to 120 to 150 minutes of cleaning, and when the charge drops below 20%, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge. The 0.6L dustbin can hold a large amount of debris, while the triple HEPA filter captures even the finest particles, keeping your air fresh and allergen-free. Other thoughtful touches include 4 suction levels and 3 cleaning programs to adapt to different surfaces and messes, along with a quiet operation mode at just 60 dB for everyday cleaning, or a max suction mode at 75 dB for tougher jobs. Its 7.5 cm slim profile allows it to slip under furniture and into tight spaces where other vacuums can't reach. In summary, the Tesvor M1 Pro is more than just a vacuum. It's a smart, versatile, and reliable cleaning partner. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or everyday messes, it brings strong suction, intelligent navigation, and hands-free convenience together in one modern package.